Hi, welcome to StemLink. In order to register an account, all you have to do is click the register button, fill out your information, and register. You can also use social logins to create your own accounts. Since I already have an account, all I have to do is click login, takes me back to the landing page, and then continue to editor. StemLink opens up to the last document that you had open. Quick guide on how to use the editor itself. What you're looking at is StemLink in text mode. It enables you to write basic word processing. It recognizes standard keybinds such as bold, italicize, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, save. But it also has buttons that we have on the left side and insert buttons as well. If you click this insert, it shows these buttons on the side, right? This is inline math. The f of x is inline math. This is the Desmos graphing calculator. This is to insert an image, and this is to insert an external video. This button over here to go to the next page. So now we're going to switch from text mode, which is what we're in, to math mode. I'm right here, press math mode, and you can see that the side buttons changed. Just pay attention to here to know which mode you're in. So you can use that to write a lot of math. For example, this calculus problem. As I said here, you're able to toggle back and forth between the buttons. And when you're in blue, it's text. When you're in gray, it's in math mode. So just something to pay attention to. Important things to remember: Shift-Enter creates a new line, and it toggles to the opposing writing mode. So just as an example of that, so right now it says text, correct? Press Shift-Enter. The next line that it creates is in math. And I can just alternate back and forth. Shift-Enter, Shift-Enter, Shift-Enter. And you'll see that on the left side it kept switching. Let's get rid of that. So pressing enter creates a new line of text. Same thing as before, except that it stays in the same type of mode that you were working in. Pressing tab moves on to the next line. And the directional keys work faster than the mouse. So if you're trying to go for individual lines to select, directional keys are your friend, especially in math mode. And here are the essential keybinds that you will find in math mode. But let's worry about that later. Let's try copying this formula. So how would I do that? X is equal to, so all of it is divided, so divided by negative b backslash pm, because I happen to know that that's plus or minus, but I could have also used this button, right? Anyway, plus or minus square root sqrt of b squared, move to the right once, minus 4ac, direction down, divided by 2a. So we're moving to the next section. You can Control-C, Control-P, which can be done in any mode. But if you're trying to duplicate, move, or highlight things, this is exclusive to math mode, so you have to make sure that you're in math mode to try these things. Duplicating is Control-Shift-D, and moving a line, Control-Shift, directional. Highlighting is Control-H. There we go. Control-Shift-D to duplicate lines. Control-Shift back to delete entire lines. Now, Control-Shift arrow, the y equals mx plus b. Oh, and Control-H to highlight a line. You can also move these as well. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, visit our link tree and go to join our Discord, where you will find us. And you can just ask any question on the site help channel